one of my favorite ways to wear my hair in a claw clip. I can do it all up or half up, so I will show you both of those today in this video.
We're going to start with the half up, so you're going to take however much hair you want to put up. If you take more hair for the ponytail part, you are going to get a fluffier style but less hair down, or if you want thicker hair left down, then leave more hair down. You're going to start with a ponytail, you're going to pull it halfway through on the last pull and just create a little bun loop, and then you're just going to flip that tail to the top, push it down to the middle, clip a claw clip in the middle, probably a small one if you have thin hair like me, and it is just going to make this really pretty, cute, messy style that looks really nice with a half up, even if you don't have a ton of hair. When we want to do it with our whole head, we will basically do the same thing, except this time we're going to put all of our hair in a ponytail, make that little bun loop, flip the tail to the top, flip that tail down towards the hair tie in the middle, and just clip right over the center. Now, I pull mine quite a bit, so you see my ends do start to pop out, but I like a messier look, a little bit more undone. You just don't want to pull as much if you don't want as much hair to stick out, but either way, this always turns out super cute and always gets lots of compliments.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a fun claw clip style you can try. Definitely have claw clips in your rotation of how you like to put your hair up, because if you have fine, thin hair, chances are your hair is pretty fragile and can break easily. And if you do need to wear your hair up a lot, then putting it up with a claw clip instead of always in the exact same bun or ponytail is going to be helpful, because changing up how you put your hair up is going to change up where the tension is on your hair, and you're less likely to have breakage from repeatedly putting it up in the same place in the same way all the time. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Leave me a comment below because I love to hear from you guys. Bye, guys.